Hi, James here to tell you about another great engine from On-Track Knudsen Company. This is our C15 Acert MXS Long Block Plus. This engine has a lot of the bases covered that are important when you're rebuilding an engine. Fuel system, number one. Cooling system, number two. Anyway, you can tell from looking at it, you can see it has a new oil cooler. The filter bypass valves have been updated. The new water oil pump inside, new water pump. It has all the top end, even has injectors with new internal electrical harnesses. Give me a call so you can learn more about this engine and how to save money.
Hey guys, if you like what you see, I hope that you hit the like button, turn on that bell for notifications, and of course, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.